There it is. Fill in the table then. The purpose of calculating the discriminant is to determine how many solutions our quadratic equation might have. If your result is positive, you know there are two solutions, two real solutions. If it is negative, 0 real solutions. You might also say 2 complex, but 0 goes in the blank. If the result is 0, then you know you have exactly one solution. How many times does the function hit or touch the x-axis? This is the phrasing that will be used to reference, hey, use the discriminant. Okay, so b squared minus 4ac, the b value here is -7, so -7 squared minus 4 times 1 times 15. So what do we get there? You're going to shout it out. Tony? -100? Well, I'm feeling like it might be negative since I have a 49 here minus 60. Right, so we're going to get a, what? 49 minus 60. Thanks, but it's -11. So since it's a negative, we know that there are no real solutions. So 0. Those are my two answers. I should maybe label that 0 solutions. Real. 0 real solutions. For B, we need to have it in standard form. So the way to do that would be to FOIL out the x plus 3 squared. So I would get x squared plus 3x plus 3x plus 9. Combine like terms, x squared plus 6x plus 9. And then don't forget about the minus 5. So x squared plus 6x plus 4. So how many solutions would this have? Now we can plug it into b squared minus 4ac. So 6 squared minus 4 times a times c. So 36 minus 16 is 20, which would give us, good, 2 real. So question? Since, yeah, it's easy to forget about him. 36, what's the formula for the x value of the vertex? X equals?
X equals negative b over 2a.
Well done.
Thanks. I knew that one, kinda.
So that's a question that might be asked in this way. State the maximum or minimum of the function. So I'm going to take this formula, I'm going to plug in my b and my a, so x equals negative 18 over 2 times 3. So negative 18 over 6 is negative 3. If I'm looking at multiple choice answers, I'm going, oh, the x value is negative 3. I can probably eliminate a couple at this point. And then I plug the negative 3 in to calculate the y. So y is 3 times negative 3 squared plus 18 times negative 3 plus 10. What'd you get?
Hold on a second. I got negative 17. Is that wrong?
Did you put your negative 3 in parentheses here?
Yes. I did do that. I got negative 17.
You got negative 17. 27.
I got negative 17.
So we did 3 times negative 3 squared plus 18 times negative 3 plus 10. Me too.
Last time you put minus 18. Negative 3.
That's what I did. Thanks. Good eye there. Whew. So, lastly, we have these questions about circles. So you need to know the standard form of the equation for a circle, which is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. And hopefully that makes these questions fairly simple. So what is the equation for this circle? The things that you're plugging in are the values for h and k and r. So first let's identify hk. hk is the center. So we have 4, 3. Join us. We're on the back. So 4, 3 goes in for hk, and then we need the r value. The r value is the length of the radius. The radius here is 2. So r is 2. We'll plug those in. So it'll be x minus 4 squared plus y minus 3 squared plus 2 squared, no, equals 2 squared. So 2 squared is 4. I'm just going to erase that and write it as 4. And that's your answer. That's it. Number 40, we're going in reverse. Identify the center and the radius. So the center here, center, remember when it's in parentheses and it's squared, we're doing the opposite, so it's going to be a positive 8, negative 26, similar to what we do when we're looking at a parabola in vertex form. And then it says, so we know r squared is 49, so the square root r is 7. Last one. A circle with this equation right here has a center of 0, 0. Now the circle is shifted 5 units to the left and 7 units down. So we're at the origin, so visualize 5 units left, 7 units down. What's our new center?
Negative 5, negative 7.
Good. So our new center is negative 5, negative 7. If it's hard for you to visualize that, it's not a bad idea to just sketch it. Here I am, my center is 0, 0, 5 units to the left, and 7 units down. Right? It's not a bad idea, just it doesn't take long to draw that little sketch. So what is the equation of the new circle? So same circle, just translated. So it'll have the same radius. That's the r squared is 23. So I'd write that as x plus 5 squared plus y plus 7 squared equals 23. We do the opposite whenever we're in parentheses.
Did you do 37b?
Nope. Thanks. Thanks for observing that. I'll go back and do that. So 37b, x equals negative 12 over 2 times negative 2. So negative 12 over negative 4 is 3. Plug 3 in to calculate your y value. Negative 2 times 3 squared plus 12 times 3 plus 7. So 9 times negative 2 is negative 18, plus 36 is negative 18, positive 18, plus 7 is 25. So then you might see your answer also written as an ordered pair, since it is asking you for the maximum or minimum value. So we're going to write that as 3, 25. I should have done that on the last one as well. Is that going to be a maximum or minimum value? How do you know it's a minimum? Yep. Since the a is negative, we know it opens up. So this would be a minimum. Over here, finish it off. It's opening, sorry, wrong. There's a negative here, it opens down.
Oh, my bad.
So it was right. Wait. Yeah.
Just to mess with you a little bit.
You have to read that.
Maximum. And then this one opens up. And so the ordered pair -3, -17 is a minimum. You can see explanations for all the other questions in my other video.
Okay, wait, so fresh.